Hi all, this will be our 66th video in JavaScript series. In this we are going to learn JavaScript date get methods. Previously we have understood what are the formats available in date. Okay, we had ISO format, we have short format and also we have long date format. In this session we are going to use ISO format. For ISO format we can give year, month and date. Now let me just write one variable. Let date 1 is equal to, using this new, we are going to create date object. Now as soon as we write this new date, it is going to return the current date and time. I will write here log, and inside this I just want to print date 1. I will save this. Now you can see here current date and time is displayed. Now what I will be doing, inside this I will be using ISO format, or else without using any format we can directly use get methods. Now inside this, I'm just going to pass ISO format. So for that, I will be writing year, month I will give March itself, and date let me just write here 12. I will save this. Now according to that, I will be getting the result. Now what I will be doing, I will be using get methods. First we are going to see get full year. I will write log date 1 dot get full year. Now this method, what it is going to return, whatever result we have got from there, it is just going to return with the year. Using this get full year method, we can get the year. Now if I just remove this one, I will save. Again whatever year I am having, that will be displayed. Only to explain you, even if we give date formats or even if we use this new object, then also we are going to get the result. Inside this date, you can give any date. Let me just write here Control Z 2020. Month I will give here 6 and date let me write here 18. I will save. You can see now 2020. Whatever year I am having inside this date, that will be displayed. I will copy. Then next we have month. Get month. Save. Now month you can see 5 is displayed. But June is the 6th month. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. Now how it is going to calculate? It is going to calculate from 0. 0 to 11, the month will be displayed. So 0 will be January and 11 will be December. So the month number of June we will be getting as 5. If you just want to display exact data, let me just create one array here. Let month is equal to, and inside this array, I am just going to write here Jan. Okay, let me just write here variables Jan. This will be Feb. This will be March. Okay, you can see inside this array, I have given all this data. Let me just write here Jan, Feb, March and April. I have given all this data. Now if I just print here month, I will save. Let me just write here month. Save. Now all the month will be displayed. Now if I just want to display March, inside this I can just write here 2. I will save this. I will be getting this result March. Now using this date function, I will just remove this. And also I'm just going to comment it out. Save. Now this will be the result, and for month 2 I am getting March. Now inside this my month is also March. So what I will be doing, I will just comment it out. Below this I will be creating one variable get month. Get month 1 is equal to, now inside this month, this is my month array. Inside this what I am going to do, inside this index number I will be writing date 1 dot get month. Now I will save this. I will just print this get month 1. get month 1, save. Now you can see exactly March I am getting. Instead of writing this array directly, if I was displaying this date.get method, instead of March I was getting the number, but number I was getting as 2. Instead of 3 I will be getting as 2 because counting will be starting from 0 to 11. So if you just want to get the exact data, so from this what I will be getting, I will get the result as 2, and inside array index number will be calculated from 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2. At second index position, whatever data I am having, that will be displayed. If you just want to get name of the month using this get month, then you can use array and you can get the data. So this is about get month. Let me just comment it out. And also this I'm going to comment it out. I will copy this comment and below this I'm just going to paste. Now in the same way we have get date log. Inside this date 1 dot get date. For methods we should always use this parenthesis save. Now date is 30, so 30 will be displayed. Okay, till now 3 methods we have seen: get full year, get month and get date. Previously, to access the year, we have another method called get year, but as of now it is deprecated, so it is no longer in use. So instead of that, we are going to use get full year. Get date. Now I will be writing get day. I will save this. Now you can see I got the result as 4. For everything, I am going to get the numbers. Now for get day, I got the result as 4. This also, it will be starting from 0 to 6. 0 will be indicating Sunday, 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday and 4 is Thursday. So as March 30 is Thursday, so number 4 will be displayed. So in the same way, we have get hours. Let me just write here hours. I will save this. I should be writing in capital, save. Now I got the result as 1. Inside this you can see my timings, R is 1, so 1 will be displayed. In the same way, we have minutes, we have seconds and we have milliseconds. I will write here minutes. Save this. Whatever minutes I am having, that will be displayed. Same here, milliseconds. Save. Now whatever, okay, these milliseconds are not visible, but computer is going to calculate and it will be giving me the result. And last method we are going to see, that is time method. Get time. I will save this. Now what this get time method will do, it is going to return the milliseconds from Jan 1, 1970. Okay, if you calculate, you will be getting this result. So these are some of the get methods. Get full year is to get the year. Get month is used to get the month and it will be calculated from 0 to 11. 0 will be for January and 11 will be for December. Then we have get date to get the date. Then we have get day to get the day, and this also will be calculated from 0 to 6. 0 will be Sunday and 1 will be Monday. Get hours will be getting the hours, minutes, milliseconds. For minutes we have get minutes, for milliseconds we have get milliseconds. To get the total milliseconds from 1970, we have this get time method. So if you want, we have seen for this month, same way you can try for this days as well. If you are able to get the result for day, then you can paste the code in the comment section so that it will be helpful for others as well as it will be a practice for you as well. This is all about get methods. At least practice once so that you will be having understanding on these methods. Next, we are going to see about set methods.